It is time to take stock of these numbers and to act. COVID is again on the rise in the Americas. The truth is that this virus is not going away anytime soon. After a period of lower transmission, many countries and local governments are abandoning masking and social distancing requirements and have reopened borders. But at the same time, too many people remain at risk, unprotected by vaccines. Only 14 of the 51 countries and territories in our region have reached the WHO target to vaccinate 70% of their population. We know that the elderly, pregnant women, and people with pre-existing conditions are at higher risk of severe disease or dying if they catch COVID. But in some countries, vaccination coverage in these groups is lower than in the general population. And in other places, vaccination coverage is lower in socially vulnerable groups, such as Indigenous and Afro-descendant communities, putting them at even greater risk. Ultimately, each country is only as protected as the most vulnerable in their population. The rise in cases should serve as a wake-up call. When people get sick, hospitals get overwhelmed, health systems are challenged, and the number of deaths rise. Masking and social distancing have served us well since the start of the pandemic and are still valid measures to lower virus transmission.